Hello everyone. Kelly Khumalo wants to see those who killed her then boyfriend and the father of her child, Senzo Meyiwa, brought to justice. Kelly Khumalo's sister, Zandie Khumalo said this on last Thursday after Khumalo was accused of being the mastermind behind Meyiwa's murder. This comes after Khumalo endured social media attacks this week. Zandie added that her sister was coping fine. In a statement by the lead investigator in the murder trial, Brigadier Bongani Ginina, read in the High Court Pretoria on Wednesday, and said Khumalo was fingered as the person who allegedly ordered that Senzo be killed in her Vosloorus house on 26 October 2014. Two of the accused, Musica Khumalo Spear and Bongani Sandiso alleged Kelly Khumalo gave instructions to shoot and kill Meyiwa. This is according to Gininda's statement. The shocking court claims set tongues wagging on social media. Many felt Kelly should be charged so that the allegations could be tested in court. The general view among social media users is that Kelly Khumalo must come out and reveal what transpired on that day when Meyiwa was murdered. On Thursday afternoon, her sister Zandie took to her Instagram account to give an update on Kelly Khumalo. She wrote, "Mina ngiyoma nawe. Ingunaphakade ngoba ngiyayazi inhliziyo yakho futhi ngiyazi noSenzo umi nawe lapho ekhona. Uyazi ke thina singamabhubesi asizikhathasi ngemibono yezimvu. At Kelly Khumalo, I will stand by you all the way, and I know Senzo is supporting you as well. You know us as the Khumalos are lion-hearted. We're not bothered by tribal views of the harmless. To those that have been texting and asking if she's okay, ningakhathazeki uphila njengosheleni just like all of us. She wants the perpetrators to be brought to book, and there will be sexy doozy. I'm telling you this because I know how much you love and care for her, so I don't want you guys to worry. Khululekani nje, sazokhala ingoma kwa Khumalo." To those who have been sending me messages directly concerned about her well-being, I can assure you that she's fine and fit as fiddle. Just like most of us, she wants the perpetrators to be brought to the justice, and we strongly believe they will be soon. Zandie and Kelly were present during the Meyiwa shooting. At that time, the Devon-born goalkeeper's football career was blossoming. He was promoted to Orlando Pirates and was Bafana Bafana captain. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.